The app claims that solar energy is in no way harmful to the environment, but they fail to realize that the sole production of solar panels is detrimental to the environment. When one thinks of solar energy, they claim that it's beneficial for the environment, but what they fail to realize is that the production is detrimental. According to Dervine Generator Access December 1st, 2017, the manufacturing of solar panels can have a negative impact on the environment. Solar panel manufacturers release greenhouse gases and other pollutants into the atmosphere during manufacturing and doping processes of solar panels. Transportation of solar panels will also have a negative impact on the environment if fossil fuels are used during transportation. So unless these manufacturers are transporting using hybrids and Priuses, they're going to be contributing to harming the environment. Touching in again on the app's use of substantial in the resolution, how is only mandating that new construction carry the burden of installing and utilizing solar panels going to uphold their proposition? Unless the app decides to revise their solvency during the rebuttals of this debate, they know what they have proposed is simply unattainable for sustaining their proposition. The app also stated that the new construction will send excess power, solar power to a grid instead of storing it. But if this is the case, why would anyone want to invest in new construction equipped with solar if they can just get it for free from the runoff? The app claims that solar energy is the cheapest and the most reliable method of producing energy. Yeah, the sun sets and rises every day, but some days there are clouds and rain. Other days there's not. Other days there's minimal sunlight, and the remainder there's optimal sunlight. We don't have accurate predictions of how much prime sunlight will be emitted each day, and solar panels rely solely on sunlight. The app states that the sunlight is the most abundant energy source, but like a bad relationship, it's unreliable. They also claim that it's easy and cheap, so can they give us a number of exactly how cheap it'll be? Because being that fossil fuels are the status quo, we're using them currently because they're abundant and they're cheap. So sunlight during sunlight during the day, they haven't proposed what's actually going to happen at night because they don't want to install the batteries. But they mentioned that they want to use fossil fuels at night. So how are we going to substantially increase the use of solar energy if there's only a certain amount of hours in the day that provides optimal sunlight for solar panels? For those reasons, I urge you vote nay.